Hey guys, I know I made a video about just combining like terms in general, but I also wanted to kind of give you just a short tutorial on why I picked Delta Math to help you. So if you are getting stuck on a problem and you don't know where to start, if you hit the Show Example button, it will show and walk through an example just like the ones that you're working on, and it kind of talks you through it so that if you're getting stuck on the math part, it helps. So it uses color coding, so it's saying that it started with the 2y and the negative 4y because they both have y's. And so 2y minus 4y results in negative 2y because again, they're just looking at the number in front, so that negative 4 and this 2. And so if you do negative 4 and 2 combined, you get negative 2. Then they looked at the just numbers, so minus 2 plus 5. Because they don't have an x, they don't have a y, they get combined together and they give you that 3. So right here, that's where you got the 3 from. So 5 minus 2 gives you 3. Then they have this minus 6 that they're going to combine with the positive 3 because they both are just numbers. So when you have a positive 3 and you're subtracting 6 from it, that's where the minus 3 comes from. The last step that they're talking about is doing the x's combined. So they have 2x plus x. If there's just an x, like this one just has an x and there's no number in front, it's understood to be a 1. So that's where they're getting the 3x from. And that is our final answer. So if you get stuck on a problem, the best place to go is to do the show example. So for this one, you can start with kind of whatever you want to start with, but so I'm going to combine all my y squareds. So all of these guys have a y squared. So I'm going to add up all the numbers that are in front of it. So that means I have a negative 1 that's in front of this first guy, plus 6, plus 3. So you can do the negative first, you can wait till the last part, but I know that negative 1 plus 6 plus 3 gives me 8. Then I'm going to do y, and remember to get it to raise up, you're going to do shift 6 and it'll go up for you. So I'm going to say y squared. And then once you're done writing and above and like you have your 2, you just hit the arrow over and it'll get out of the square for you. Then I'm going to combine my just plain by themselves y's. So I have 5y and 4y. 5 plus 4 gives me 9, so I'm going to do plus 9y. And then the last step is my numbers, so I have 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 just gives me plus 2, and I'm going to submit my answer. And I'll hit yes, and it'll tell me if I'm right. And it walks it through exactly kind of how you did it. And it might have done it in a different order, which is fine. And it also tells me, so I'm 13% complete right now. I need to get 4 problems right, so I'm going to go to my next problem. Again, if you get stuck, show example. It kind of walks you through it. And you can do another example if you want another example. So all of this is designed to help you so that you get immediate feedback. I hope this helps and that it's a good Delta Math tutorial.